Maserati, renowned for its fusion of Italian elegance and automotive excellence, has unveiled a captivating one-off creation that combines the sophistication of wine culture with the allure of a convertible, the Maserati GranCabrio Folgore Tignanello. This bespoke masterpiece not only pays homage to the renowned Tignanello wine but also exemplifies Maserati's commitment to craftsmanship and individuality. At the heart of the GranCabrio Folgore Tignanello lies Maserati's iconic blend of performance and luxury. Powered by a potent engine that delivers exhilarating power and a symphony of sound, the GranCabrio promises a driving experience that is as thrilling as it is refined. Its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette enhances both performance and aesthetics, ensuring a dynamic presence on any road. Inspired by the rich heritage of Italian winemaking, the GranCabrio Folgore Tignanello is adorned with bespoke design elements that celebrate the Tignanello wine's essence. The exterior, finished in a deep, lustrous hue reminiscent of aged wine, exudes sophistication and exclusivity. Unique accents, such as custom badging and intricate detailing, further elevate the GranCabrio's allure, making it a true collector's item. Inside the cabin, Maserati's dedication to luxury and comfort is evident in every detail. Premium materials, including fine leather and exquisite wood trim, create an ambience of opulence and refinement. The seating, meticulously crafted to provide both support and comfort, invites occupants to indulge in a journey where every moment is as memorable as savoring a fine wine. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the GranCabrio Folgore Tignanello embodies Maserati's commitment to customization and personalization. Each aspect of the vehicle, from the interior upholstery to the exterior paint finish, can be tailored to reflect the owner's unique taste and preferences. This bespoke approach not only enhances exclusivity but also ensures that every GranCabrio is a true reflection of its owner's individuality. As a one-off creation, the GranCabrio Folgore Tignanello stands as a testament to Maserati's ability to merge automotive excellence with cultural inspiration. It represents a harmonious blend of artistry and engineering, where craftsmanship meets passion in a celebration of Italian heritage. For enthusiasts and collectors alike, owning the GranCabrio Folgore Tignanello is akin to possessing a piece of automotive and enological history, a rare privilege that transcends mere ownership. In conclusion, the Maserati GranCabrio Folgore Tignanello is more than just a car, it is a masterpiece that embodies the essence of luxury, performance, and cultural appreciation. With its wine-themed design and unparalleled craftsmanship, it captivates the senses and stirs the soul, offering a driving experience that is as refined as a fine vintage. As Maserati continues to innovate and inspire, the GranCabrio Folgore Tignanello stands as a testament to its enduring legacy of automotive excellence and creativity.